How to add a digital time widget on your home screen, and this is for the Galaxy A15 or A16 smartphone. This one here is the A16, and after the One UI 7.0 update, you'll notice that the clock widgets from Samsung are no longer expandable, and you want the bigger ones like this here. So you want to make sure you go to the Play Store and install the one that has this clock widget from Google. Once you install it and all that, you should have the widgets ready to be available. Now to add one of these time widgets, you'll go ahead and long press a blank area on your Samsung phone and go to where it says widgets right there. Now once you're here, you want to go down the list and you're looking for the one that says clock, but it's this one here with the blue icon. That's the one from Google. And as you tap on it, you're going to see the different options show up. So for this tutorial, it's the digital one here, which is this one here. Now, once you tap on it, you'll press add and you'll see the option to go between solid or transparent. And it's up to you for that. And once you select it, it's going to appear somewhere randomly on your home screen. And you can go ahead and hold it down a second time like this here and move it around. So if you wanted it to be in the other page, you'll leave it there. And once you release it, you'll notice these tabs here. And when you pull on it, you can expand the size of it. And that's how you get this big digital time widget on your home screen. And that's that, like and sub. If you want to remove it, long press, and you'll have the option to remove it.